I want to take this moment to just bring you up to date with a story that is breaking at this very moment, away from what is going on in Parliament. And there is word of an oil tanker having had an accident in Kachok area in Kisumu County. We understand no injuries as known as of this moment, but fuel is flowing from the tanker. We have Kevin Ogutu, who's our reporter, on phone joining us from Kisumu. Kevin, good evening. What more can you tell us about the accident involving this oil tanker?
A very good evening, Yvonne. Indeed, about 7 people are feared dead after an accident involving a tanker that was loaded with fuel. Petrol to be more specific, hit a tuk-tuk that was actually getting passengers on board in Kachok area in Kisumu town. So 7 are actually dead, resulting from that impact between the tanker and the tuk-tuk that was in the process of getting passengers on its way to Nyamasaria. So it's not clear where exactly the tanker was from, but it was from the Nairobi Road heading to Busia. So probably it was full of fuel, petrol done. So right now, 7 police officers told me that about 7 are dead and have been taken to Jaramogi Oginga Odinga Teaching and Referral Hospital, mortuary, while other survivors have been taken to the Kisumu County Hospital, sub-county hospital for that matter. And right now, police is trying very hard to keep away residents who want to sit on fuel. Actually, fuel is still coming out of that tanker, and I don't know exactly what the plan is, but they're trying really hard to keep away residents. We are just about 500 meters from Nyalenda.
All right. Okay, so could you tell us, besides the police, who else is present, other authorities or rescue operation?
There is no rescue operation right now, but we have a number of police officers manning this place in a bid to stop residents from siphoning fuel. But I'm not seeing any attempt, probably removing this tanker from here. There is really nothing much. But once we set up, we'll be able to get a live picture, Yvonne.
Okay, once more, Kevin, could you just paint for us a picture of exactly where Kachok is in Kisumu County? I know you've mentioned it's near Nyalenda, just for our viewers to get a visual of this area.
Okay, on your way from Nairobi, you pass through Nyamasaria, we have that flyover, then it's just about 50 meters from the flyover. That's where this incident has happened. And the Kachok area is actually near Nakumatt City. So this is something that has happened very close to the town center. And we'll be talking about, say, 500 meters to the town center from this place of incident, Yvonne.
All right, thank you very much. Kevin Ogutu, our reporter in Kisumu County, telling us of an accident involving an oil tanker and a tuk-tuk that has taken place in Kachok area in Kisumu County. 7 people feared dead at the moment. No rescue operations ongoing, but the police are present and trying to keep residents away from scooping the petrol that is flowing from that tanker that is overturned in Kachok area. That is